Steps to set up Barqi device. Step 1. Setting up the TP-Link application. Download the TP-Link Deco app. Scan the QR code. Or go to the Play Store for Android devices, or the Apple Store on iPhone, and install the application TP-Link Deco app. Log in if you already have an account. Step 2. Preparing the Deco X50 device. Connect the power cord to the Barqi unit. Then turn on the power. Wait for the yellow light to turn into a blue light. Step 3. Setting up the ONT modem. Turn off the modem. Connect the Ethernet cable to the modem. Connect the same cable to the Barqi unit. Turn on the modem. Step 4. Preparing the TP-Link Deco app. Choose Deco X50. Follow the procedures. Wait until the Barqi unit starts flashing a blue light. Make sure that your phone is connected to the Barqi network. Network information is located at the bottom of each unit. The flashing will turn into a light. Choose which room the Barqi unit will be located in. Lastly, you can specify the network name and passcode. Now you can easily control all Barqi units through your phone.